Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add Google Widget on home screen on Samsung M35 device. Well, Google Widget can be customized to display personalized content based on your preferences and interests. This allows you to see relevant information and updates tailored to your needs without having to search for it manually. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, long press any area on your device home screen to access additional options. And from the menu that appears, select Please Widget option. After that, scroll through the available widget until you locate the Google option. So, tap on the downward arrow to expand the selection and look for the Google Search widgets. Once you find the Google Search widget, long press on it and place it on your home screen as desired. Okay, this action successfully displays the Google Search widget on your device home screen, providing quick access to Google Search functionality directly from your home screen. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add Google Widget on home screen on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.